I am a feminist. Hello. My name is Emma. I am 22 years old. I live in a small city with my family. I am a student at university. I study sociology. Today, I want to tell you my story about feminism. I will also talk about why feminism is important, how it started in history, and what it means today. When I was a little girl, I noticed many unfair things around me. My mom and dad both had full-time jobs. They worked all day and came home in the evening. But when they got home, their jobs were not the same. My dad sat on the sofa and watched TV. He relaxed after work. My mom, however, started working again. She cooked dinner, cleaned the house, and helped me and my brother with our homework. One evening, I asked my mom, "Why do you do all the work? Why doesn't Dad help you?" My mom smiled and said, "This is how life is, Emma. Women take care of the family." Her answer made me feel confused. I thought, why is this normal? Dad is part of the family too. Shouldn't he help at home? I didn't understand, but I kept thinking about it. At school, I saw more unfair things. The boys were allowed to be loud and run around during breaks. They played football and made noise. The teachers didn't say anything to them. Boys will be boys, the teachers said. But if the girls made noise or played rough games, the teachers got angry. Girls should behave nicely, they said. Girls should be quiet. One day, I wanted to play football with the boys. I asked if I could join them. The boys laughed at me. Football is not for girls, they said. Girls can't play football. I felt sad and left the field. Another time, our teacher asked, "What do you want to be when you grow up?" A boy said, "I want to be a doctor." Everyone clapped for him. When it was my turn, I said, "I want to be a doctor too." Some boys laughed at me. They said, "Girls can't be doctors. Girls can only be nurses." I felt embarrassed, but I was also angry. I thought, why can't I be a doctor? I am smart too. As I grew older, I started learning about feminism. Feminism means men and women should have equal rights. It means boys and girls can follow their dreams. It means everyone should be treated with fairness and respect. I also learned about the history of feminism. A long time ago, women didn't have many rights. Women couldn't vote. They couldn't work in many jobs. They couldn't go to school. Only men could do these things. Women had no voice. In 1848, a group of brave women in the United States held a meeting. This meeting was called the Seneca Falls Convention. At this meeting, the women said they wanted equal rights. They said women should have the right to vote and make decisions. In the early 20th century, women in many countries fought for the right to vote. In the United States, women won this right in 1920. In the United Kingdom, women got the right to vote in 1918. These victories were big steps for feminism. I also learned about women who made big contributions to the world. For example, Marie Curie was a scientist. She discovered radioactivity and won 2 Nobel Prizes. But during her time, many people didn't believe women could be scientists. Another example is Rosalind Franklin. She helped discover the structure of DNA. But two men took most of the credit and won the Nobel Prize. Rosalind's work was very important, but she didn't get the recognition she deserved. Today, I see that feminism has made progress, but there are still problems. In some countries, girls are not allowed to go to school. In other places, women are paid less than men for the same job. I see these problems in my city too. Women do most of the housework, even if they also have jobs outside the home. Girls are told to be quiet and act nice. Boys are told not to cry because boys don't cry. At university, I joined a feminist group. We talk about these problems and try to find solutions. I met my friend Maria in this group. Maria's parents wanted her to get married and stay at home. But Maria wanted to study law and become a lawyer. She felt very sad. I told her, "Your dreams are important. You should talk to your parents." Maria was brave. She talked to them, and now she is studying law at university. Feminism is not just for women. It helps men too. My younger brother Liam loves painting. But when he was little, other kids teased him. They said, "Painting is for girls." Liam felt bad and wanted to stop painting. I told him, "Painting is for everyone. Don't listen to them." Now, Liam is a great artist. Some people think feminism is about hating men, but this is not true. Feminism is about fairness. It is about treating everyone equally. I dream of a better world. In my dream, boys and girls are equal. Women and men share work at home and in jobs. Everyone is free to follow their passions. This is why I am a feminist. I believe in fairness, kindness, and equality. Together, we can make the world a better place for everyone. Thank you for listening to my story.